Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I will show you how to get CNFans coupons. First, you want to go and open cnfans.com. Then you want to go and click on your profile picture and you want to create your own account and sign in. And once you sign in, you want to go and click on my account. Then you want to go here and type the coupon code that you have. I'm going to type, for example, Volk. Then I'm going to click on exchange. And as you can see, it will show me the available coupons. Now we can use them. And now let's say that I will purchase this product, for example, and they want to use the coupon code. You just need to choose the color, height, quantity, then click on add to cart. And now in order to use this coupon, go to warehouse, then you want to select all, then hit the submit. And after that, here you will have to scroll down until you find here coupon available. Just tap on it and here you can choose the coupon and click on confirm. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was useful to you all, guys. Please support us with like and subscribe and see you in a new video.